What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Capel Outdoor video. And today we're out here at Joe Kerr's WMA. We're right here in the campground by the little pond. And I figured that this would be a great opportunity to kind of kick off spring. It's slowly been warming up here in Georgia. We're going to have another cold snap, but it's going to warm back up. So Abby and I just got the urge to come out and do some cooking today. Today on the menu, we're going to be doing some shrimp tacos with a mango salsa. And it's going to be really good. And we're also going to be doing like a mango carbonated drink to go with that. So let me show you all the ingredients. So we got these Simply Truth farm raised shrimp. They're raw shrimp. They're already peeled, deveined, and the tail off. And then we got some small, like taco-sized tortillas. We got lime, one jalapeno in here, if I can get it out. It's got the long stem version here. One jalapeno, lime, and we got some of these honey mangoes here. Never had honey mangoes, so we're going to give it a try. Got a little bit of cilantro, red onion, and we got the assorted seasonings right here. So, yeah. It's going to be a good one. So I've been kind of itching to come back out here and do some cooking here. If y'all been with the channel for a while, y'all know that Abby and I cooked some shrimp po' boys out here. Those turned out really good. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description below. But yeah, Abby is just between them pine trees right over there. She's doing some fishing. As you can see, the nice little pond here. So while she does that, I'm gonna start prepping up some of this food here. All right, guys. So what I want to do first is I need to, because these shrimps are still kind of frozen. I say kind of frozen; they're still frozen. So I just kind of want to get those out and put a little bit of water in this bowl here. Get them to thaw out a little bit, and then we're gonna work on the drink here. Whenever Abby and I are going to be down in the coastal areas, I want to try to recreate some of these shrimp recipes with fresh shrimp. Yeah, fresher fruit too, yeah. Because just doing this with just fresh ingredients, or just cooking in general with fresh ingredients, is really, really nice. Yeah, this is our first time trying honey mangoes. And the seeds come out. I don't know how well that works, but alright, guys, well, we got the mangoes here. We got them cut into little dice pieces. I took a potato masher, just kind of mash them up, made into like a little puree kind of thing here. And we just had DNR roll through. They talked to a few people, but I guess they didn't want to talk to me. I don't want to talk to them either. And then we're just going to I'm going to take half of this mango puree, put it in one, and the rest in the other one. Then I'm going to take half a lime. Topo Chico. Now, if you've never had a Topo Chico, it's just carbonated water. It's very good. Oh my God. Yeah. Like if you are trying to cut back on soda and drink more water, this is the way to go. So.
I'll take the one with less ice if that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just looked like that was like perfect for both.
It's kind of chunky though, but I mean, you get to eat on the fruit on that. So, ooh. Cheers.
Ooh, I like the flavor. It's tart.
It is tart. I wish there was more mango flavor, but other than that, it's very delicious, very refreshing.
I think for me, what I would like to do next time is macerate it. So, like, get some sugar, like we talked about, and let it sit with the sugar after we mash it. I think that would bring
I
out
think
more of the flavor.
I think next time we're gonna try the other mangoes, like the bigger ones. All right, guys. So Abby's working on processing up those other 2 mangoes for the salsa. I am, however, going to wash and rinse these shrimps, and we're gonna get them seasoned up. So as always, it wouldn't be a traditional Capel Outdoor video without me forgetting something. And this time I forgot paper towels, which is quite funny because I spent some time yesterday mainly going through the gear drawer, but I just double checked to make sure everything in the kitchen section is pretty good. However, it wasn't good. So, yeah. So don't have any paper towels. So I can't really dry off the shrimp like I want to. So I think what we're going to do here is I have got, this is like a Whisker Seeker fish fry here, little Cajun style here. I'm just going to do a very light coating of that just to kind of suck up some of that moisture, and then we're going to season it some more. So just going to give a little light sprinkling of this here. We're going to go in with some Dano's seasoning here. And then we got some Dano's chili lime seasoning. A little bit of chili lime in here. We do like a little bit of spice. I got some Dano's spicy here. Just going to get a little light coating of that. And then we're also going to do a lime. So if y'all watch me there, if you get a lime and roll it on a hard surface, it kind of breaks up the inside a little bit to where you can kind of get more juice out of it. And it also helps if you have one of those like juice squeezer things, which I do not have in my kit. And then I got a little bit of cilantro here we're going to cut up. I just want just a little bit. And you can kind of see what that looks like right there. Looks like a whole bunch of goodness. And we're just going to give this a quick toss in here. So you can see how well that's like marinated right there. All right, guys, it's jalapeno cooking time. Jalapeno. It's shrimp cooking time. Oh yeah, light sizzle going on over here. Oh yeah, just that one bag of shrimp, give me a whole pan full. I want y'all to come a little closer here. Y'all smell that? It smells wonderful.
Smell what Kevin's cooking.
Yeah, y'all smell what Capel Outdoors is cooking. Meanwhile, we got the sauce over here.
So far. And
So
it'll
she's
be
got-
more colorful in a moment.
Yeah, I don't know if I said this before, but in the salsa we got mango, jalapeno, red onion, cilantro, lime. Very basic. I got this recipe online. Like always, I'll put it in the description below. It did call for red bell pepper, but we opted out for that. But yeah, that shrimp smells so good right now. I want y'all to see this. Yeah, hold on. Shrimp is looking and smelling delicious. I mean, it's looking delicious. I wish y'all could smell that right now. It just smells so good. Oh, that Cajun like breading. Oh, it smells so. It's like Cajun food. It smells so good. You smell it?
That's good.
Toasted the tortillas up a little bit, so we're just gonna go ahead and assemble the taco here. Then we got some salsa right here. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try this stuff here.
I want to take a picture.
Yeah, take a picture.
Free shavakadu would have been good.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Smoky, tart, salty, sweet. Again, maybe a little bit of avocado for texture or creaminess, but it's good without it.
I think next time we try to do another fruit salsa, I think we're gonna do like pineapple, like just say acidic, or probably could have done a little mixture of like the honey mango and pineapple, like that where we can get the natural sweetness from right there. This round, guys, I'm gonna squeeze a little lime on it. Probably get lime juice everywhere but my taco. Is that not the truth about squeezing limes? Like it goes everywhere but where you want it to go?
Your eye, the countertop.
Yeah. Well, guys, I think this is about gonna wrap it up here. Abby's finishing off her last taco, as well as the last little bit of the shrimp and the salsa. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it and cooking it.
If you're going to try this recipe, comment below. Tell us what you thought.
Yeah, or
comment other recipes we should
or
try.
if you decide to change up anything, by all means, let us know. See how you like it. But with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed it just as much as we enjoyed making it. If y'all want to see more content like this, don't forget to check out the rest of my channel, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, do that, please. Go ahead. No, do the thing.
Oh. I get the privilege.